we've got a great comparison of what you could do for lunch and the difference in prices, which might make you maybe rethink what you're doing on a daily basis. Is that fair enough?
That's correct.
All right. So Natalie, let's start from what's closest to me. What did you bring here for us?
So these are different examples of what somebody might go ahead and purchase at lunchtime. So maybe you're going quick out on your lunch break, picking up something fast. So these are some options that are available. You're thinking a sandwich, that's not so bad. But in reality, it's not the best option. Also, it's very pricey. So this is about a $10 meal.
And that's this one right here, where we've got the sandwich, we've got some chips.
Yeah, and then what are you gonna wash that down with? And we had a bottle of iced tea. And then there we have, loaded in sugar. Oh, here it is. And then we also,
Let's magically have it appear now. Here is the tea. So all of this, $10.
And then you have, maybe you're bringing something frozen. I see this a lot with my patients, that they think that this is a healthier choice because in the name it can imply, and maybe they've made some modifications to it. But again, you're grabbing something quick and running out the door with it.
Because you just put it in the microwave, easy to make.
Yeah, it's
fast.
convenience. It's convenience.
It's got a great little title there for you.
Right, and then so this is about $5 again with your beverage. Or you can also make something, right? So you bring from home your leftovers, have that with some fruit and some water, and then the price there, when you price everything out, it actually would be about a $2.50 meal, breaking everything down.